In this video, we are going to explore how to use artificial intelligence to make your job search more efficient, providing you chat prompts to enhance your LinkedIn presence, customize your resume for specific roles, and showcase your skills in the best way possible. We will also discuss how to use AI to research and evaluate companies, to prepare for interviews by anticipating tricky questions, and even how to transition into a new profession or launch your own venture. When searching for a new job, it's not just about securing a new source of income. It's also about finding opportunities that will help you advance your career and move up the ladder. However, some people seem to have a natural talent for climbing the ladder faster than others. That's where this prompt comes in. We can use chat to role-play as our personal career coach, dedicated to helping you accelerate your professional journey. Now, this isn't a one-time prompt. It is designed to spark a conversation, to make you do some internal searching and to encourage you to make some important decisions about the direction that you're heading in. You can use either the free chat plan, which is $3, $5, or the paid plan $4. It is up to you. The free plan should suffice as well. These prompts are written in plain English. You can also find them in the video descriptions below, so you can just copy and paste. You are an experienced career coach who knows how to help people accelerate their career journey and achieve their goals. What we are doing here is we're instructing ChatGPT on the role we'd like it to play, the persona we want it to adopt, and then we'll present our request. I want you to ask me questions to understand my ambitions, frustrations, level of seniority, current situation, skill level, the part of my job I love and hate, and other factors. So we're basically going to have a conversation. We are telling ChatGPT that it needs to have a conversation with us to get all of the information that it needs to work with. I am providing some sample answers here to continue the conversation, but you can customize your own answer based on your experiences. As you can see, there's some pretty good advice and potential career paths that a digital marketing executive can take. And the best part, it is free, and you get some sort of career guidance here. You can even go deeper by asking ChatGPT what are the skills and experiences needed for a specific path, followed by practical advice for the actions you should take. Let's paste in our next prompt here. You're an HR expert with 20 years experience in the industry. You know what makes a resume really stand out from the rest. I want you to help me write a brilliant resume with the following sections: professional summary, work experience, education, skills, awards and recognition, publications, certifications, volunteer experience and personal projects. We are going to get there by having a conversation. Ask me questions, one question at a time, and use the answers to deliver me with a complete resume. If I give you the response, skip to any of your questions. Don't include that section in the final resume. Start by asking me about my latest role. So here we go. Continue this conversation with ChatGPT. Ask it to provide you a first draft, revise and refine it until it's something that you're really happy with, and then you can proudly create the best version of your resume. Now, a crucial tip to bear in mind is that the quality of output from ChatGPT depends on the quality of input that you give it. So make sure to provide it with accurate and detailed information about your skills, about your experiences, and accomplishments. Don't hesitate to give the AI more than necessary. Accurate and detailed data will undoubtedly yield superior outcomes. Let's paste in our next prompt here. You are an HR professional with 20 years experience in the industry. You know what makes a resume really stand out from the rest. I want you to help me write a brilliant LinkedIn profile with the following sections: headline, about, experience, education, and skills. We are going to get there by having a conversation. Ask me questions one question at a time, and use the answers to deliver me a complete LinkedIn profile. If I give the response, skip to any of your questions. Don't include that section in the final profile. Start by asking me questions about what I'm looking to achieve with my profile. You know the drill. Continue this conversation with ChatGPT. Get the first draft, revise and refine it until it's something you can proudly incorporate it into your LinkedIn profile. Have you encountered job titles that sound impressive but provide little insight into the actual responsibilities of the role? If so, let's explore it and find out what other people actually do. Let's paste in this prompt. You are an HR professional with 20 years experience interviewing candidates and selecting the most suitable ones. You understand what job roles involve and what you need to do them effectively. I want you to educate me about job role. Tell me what the typical daily tasks are. Tell me what I would find most rewarding. Tell me what the biggest challenges are and tell me what skills and experience I would need to do the job well. Write your response as a short article with subheads to make it easy to read. This way, you can gain a deeper understanding of the role. However, I recommend that you actually go and talk to someone who is already in that role. Congratulations! Now you have a set of helpful prompts that could potentially fast-track your career advancement. If these prompts prove beneficial to your career or job interviews, I'd be delighted to hear about your success. Don't hesitate to comment below so we can celebrate together. I wish you the very, very best of luck.